I personally gained actually several benefits while I study in IOB, the main ones being the new knowledge in the area of development theories, as well as aid policies and development effectiveness principles. In addition to that, I also gained an in-depth concept on gender and development, institutional theories, and the like. Apart from that, I also learned a new skill, especially in evaluation, quantitative and qualitative evaluation techniques, which actually helped me to significantly contribute to the works that I was engaged since my study at the IOB. I studied my PhD afterwards, to which the IOB program was actually a significant input. In addition to that, I also established a very important personal network with a Belgian friend in Antwerp, which actually led into the establishment of a global startup company 14, 15 years later, which focuses on the new concept of transforming urban slums globally. So I have to say that the benefit I gained from my study in IOB is both at personal and professional levels. My earlier engagement since I studied in IOB was actually to work as a monitoring and evaluation manager at the European Union delegation in Ethiopia. There I was leading the monitoring in evaluation and the development effectiveness related task of the union in Ethiopia. So I was actually leading the work in terms of designing an internal monitoring system for the EU-Ethiopia cooperation, and also actually ensuring the quality of monitoring works and also evaluation reports. So I have to say that I significantly contributed for the works of the EU while I was working there for almost 8 years. Afterwards, I engaged as a director of performance management unit in a government institution, where I was also leading the designing of a performance management system and also facilitating reporting to senior government officials. Afterwards, I'm working also as a freelance consultant in different countries in Africa. So I was contributing mainly to ministries of economic planning and development in setting up a performance management system related to the different development cooperation projects they are having with various donors in the respective countries. So I have to say that my contribution was in my respective institutions while working in Ethiopia, and also my engagement with different ministries across Africa. Apart from that, my engagement with this new global startup company I mentioned earlier, which I started together with my friend in Belgium, is actually a concept which would significantly transform slum living conditions and global poverty across the globe. More than 1 billion people are living in slum. And the concept of this housing is actually to provide them a decent living space, which integrates water and sanitation, as well as urban agriculture component, where people can get a shelter, as well as also a job opportunity, which they would actually supply the most needed fruits and vegetables in town. We are now piloting that project. We will build the prototype starting from June 2020 in collaboration with the government of Ethiopia in Addis Ababa, and after which we will actually scale up to different countries in Ethiopia, as well as other countries in Africa and also globally.